crew.
When is an appropriate time to put up a Christmas tree? So here's an update on our bedroom, which is a bit messy. Some days, this place is the spot. I can't get up. I can't get up.
Come on.
I literally can't get up. Hello there, lovely people. I hope you are doing well. I've not picked up my camera and done just like a casual vlog for quite a long time. But today you're gonna spend the day with me. I'm gonna let you in to my deep down and dirty house right about now. If you guys don't know, I have been in the throes of renovation, and we converted our garage, and we've been working on that in the last like few weeks and stuff, and we had some awful builders and we like had to kick them out, and they had new builders who like transformed, made everything absolutely amazing, and we've just been in the thick of it, which is why I haven't really brought my camera to show you what I'm doing at home. So I feel like this is like the start of like nesting with Patricia as I get into like finally working on this home. So we converted our garage, we've built a new toilet, we're still decorating our bedroom. I started this weeks ago. I was like, oh, I'm gonna transform the bedroom in a week. That hasn't happened. I cannot believe how hard it is to actually get furniture, one, in on time, and then when it comes in, for it to look like what you want it to look like. I'm telling you, most furniture websites are catfishing. I used to think it was the fashion websites. It is the furniture websites that are doing catfish from head to tail. What? Some furniture has come in, and why does it look like paper? Why is it so thin? What is this flimsy MDF? What is this? I have been shocked. And the thing about furniture is that it's expensive to get delivered, and then it's even more expensive to send back. There's some items I've got that the price of sending it back is more than the item itself. Like, what is this? This is the biggest finesse. Furniture is the biggest finesse. What? So that is the situation we have been dealing with right about now. But, oh, parcel delivery. Oh, it's my food delivery. So today is like, we're kind of getting to tidy up. The room is almost finished, not entirely finished, but almost finished. And I think I'm gonna do a full room transformation video so you guys can see what that's gonna look like. But today we're just gonna sort things out, gonna do a little homeware shopping and just get today popping. Yeah, oh, and I need to look cute. I have not looked cute for like 5 days, and so I feel like a potato, which is not the way you wanna feel. But actually, what I thought I would do is I will actually show you this closet room, because if you guys don't know, I had this custom built, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna sort my shoes out because I just hate seeing all the shoes out like this. I also have closet doors. I was having a huge dilemma on if I wanted to have doors or not, but I've decided doors are the way to go. And I'm thinking of getting an inlay in the door so it has a pattern on it. And I have this most amazing skincare fridge that is actually like transforming my life. This has changed the game for me. I've got it from Teeny Ben's. They did send it to me, just saying, you know, pay partnership and all that jazz. But it's life transforming, and I've heard so much about skincare fridges. Pow! But my skincare fridge has had me really wanting to take my skincare game extra seriously. Have a look at my face. Hormones and excellent skincare. This is a 10-litre skincare fridge. Look at this marble glass front though. How cute is this? Aesthetics and goals, no? No? I feel like I need to play like some little like porn music as I open this up for you guys right now. Organized. I love this organization. Over here I have all my masks, my Garnier mask. I love my eye mask, my expensive mask like my Rodior mask, my Estee Lauder mask, my Estee Lauder night repair goodies, some Dermalogica. I've even got my lip balm in here and my jade roller. And I love the fact these shelves are adjustable, so I'm actually have kept it like this, but I can take out a shelf and make it a bit higher or a bit lower depending what products I want to put in there. And this is a lot larger than a lot of the other ones that you can find on the market. Oh, I just had a thought. I could probably store breast milk in this. Breast milk? Should I put breast milk inside this? Later on I probably will actually. We had this discussion. That's actually a good idea. But if you guys don't know, they say it's a really good idea to put like skincare inside the fridge. It helps with shelf life, colder products reduce inflammation of the skin. And if you are storing it in the kitchen, it means you don't have to go to your kitchen. And if you use like natural oils and butters or anything like that, it keeps them fresher for longer because they can go moldy. Not like branded stuff like this, but if you're someone who likes to mix up your own stuff. And Teamy even have their own like natural skincare range, which is why they actually built this fridge. So it's a really good idea, and I feel like I'm on it because I have this. So if I can get a coupon code or a discount or a link, I'll put it in the description bar below. For all my US followers, this is absolutely fine. If you are in Europe or outside of the world, please check the voltage. I had an issue with this the last time. I plugged it in and it went poof because this is a US voltage. So I got another one and I had to buy a converter. So you might need to buy a converter depending on where you are. I just picked up one of these converters. They're on Amazon. But if you are in the UK and you're thinking about getting one of these ones, just know you need a converter, okay? I just want to let everybody know that. Right, we've talked about skincare. I need to go and get cute for the day. Okay, let's do that. Should we do that? I swear, I feel so much better when I get ready for the day. So it's time to get that glam on. She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Well, you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. We ain't gotta go outside. Two-step in the rain, wake up by my side. The power of makeup. Isn't transformation amazing? Like, I actually have cheekbones and slightly a jawline. All right, I am ready for the day, finally. I feel like it takes me forever. So welcome to the hallway. I feel like it has gone through a bit of a transformation. If I show you what it looked like before. So here we have my current hallway. It is actually very lovely. It doesn't look as dark as it looks here. It's not actually that dark. It's actually very nice, but we did something crazy. We have created what I'm going to call the new playroom downstairs for the bubbers, and this was once the garage and is now going to be a bedroom. It's been painted this kind of cool grey colour, and I love it. Look, the new radiator. You know you're adulting when you're really excited about a radiator. Through here, I have to show you a before and after shot, but through here is the room that was the garage that is now a children's playroom. I don't know what it's looking like. I think we might pause it and see it a little bit later. But coming through here is my hallway. Here we already have new stuff that is coming in to go into the bedrooms. And then this piece de la resistance, which is the new toilet. This has been a labor of love. I'll drop in before and afters. Here is the new bathroom. Like, we need to cribs it and make it really fancy. Do some shots, B-roll shots. Look at this light. Look at this wallpaper. Look at this wallpaper. I wanted to do a downstairs loo that kind of looked a little bit, not crazy, but like it was extra, because I think that you're allowed to do that with downstairs loos. It's smaller than it used to be, but I actually think it looks so much better. We have a boiler here. That's why this is wallpapered. This is where the boiler goes. And even got the smallest, narrowest mirror in the world in here. And then, hold on, I have to show you this light. Hold on, light. So this is a sensor-based mirror, and I just think it looks fantastic. This is everything I thought of creating, and probably more. Like, it's cool. It's got like the little black accessories. So coming into the kitchen, I can't even show you guys. There's just boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. So today we are going to just sort all of that out. So here's an update on our bedroom, which is a bit messy. We have new wardrobe doors, a new light that has coming on in. We still don't have any side tables, but I've got a bunch of side tables being delivered today. So I just want to tidy up and change bedding and just make this place look nice and fresh, so that anything that does come in new like goes with the vibe and I can kind of tell what it looks like. I realized I actually look like a bowling ball. I have Michael as assistant. I actually picked up some new bedding from Next, which I'm actually excited to put on. Okay, the room is a bit tidier now. Obviously Michael has to help me out a lot because I can't do very much, to be honest. He's bringing up a new ottoman that we just purchased, and as you can see we have like lamps on the floor because, as I said, finding something as simple as a side table has been like the bane of our life. But it's coming along nicely. But I'm gonna do a full-blown room tour really soon. Like, even look, new light and everything, and this is all coming together nicely. It's gonna come together nicely, I think. So watch this space for a finished transformation. Okay, so here is the ottoman. It's a button back. I wanted it to match, and then it has these side pieces that look really good as well. So Mike's gonna help me set that up. This is the this is almost one of the last pieces of furniture to come up. They opted to move this instead to the end of the bed, but I quite like the way these look like that. I feel like I want that off center. I think I want something on the wall. Where it gets dark so early, I want to tidy up the kitchen. It's actually really therapeutic to like tidy up, so I'm gonna do that. And I might show you Grace's new little nursery room. We'll see, we'll see. Realizing we have 2 NutriBullets and we haven't made a green juice in a while. I can't lie, NutriBullets are so worth it, and if you're thinking about Black Friday shopping, definitely get one. But why do we have 2? Why? Is it just me who like keeps old glass jars? Like, this had pickles in it, and I'm like, oh no, don't throw away this jar. We might use it for something. Like, I'll peel off the label and keep it. I've got nothing to use for this right now, but I can just tell like it's gonna be useful. I think it's because I'm African. We're like this. Never throw anything away. Down in here, it's actually so clean, so tidy. I was actually saying that my house is it's a little bit sterile. I want to actually, you know what, let me not talk about decorating because I've just come from hell and back trying to decorate, and I think I'm just going to save this till next year. I have a very white, plain kitchen, and I want a black kitchen. I want to like make it completely different, so we will see. But yeah, I think I'm going to go do some unboxing now because I've got loads of deliveries, and I think we're going to go do some homeware shopping as well. Oh, it's very yellow in here. Oh, we're just going to accept that. Hello guys, how are you doing? It's a few days later. I virtually almost killed myself. So right now it's really weird. I can be really physically active one day, and then the next day I'm actually knocked down for 6. Really bad pelvic pain, really bad back pain. It's so bad, and I didn't realize that the day I was like tidying up and I did that, the first half of this video, I was knocked out. I was absolutely knocked out. I was in so much agony, but I'm feeling a little bit better, a little bit more rested. I want to do a little bit of homeware shopping. So that is what I'm up to today. We've got Mike the man. I cannot see how he's been so husbandry of late.
Keep going.
He's been so husbandry of late. He is going to tolerate me in IKEA today.
It's not tolerating.
It is definitely tolerating.
Enjoy. I mean, enjoy, not endure.
Enjoy me in IKEA today.
Yes. You know what? Quick story. We used to go to IKEA, and 9 times out of 10, it would end up in some kind of
argument,
beef or argument. But nowadays, it's much better. It's more like 8 out of 10.
Well,
But,
because Michael's learned to just...
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear is always the answer. No, I'm joking. I can't wait to get the house Christmassy. I know it's not Christmas yet, but people start putting up trees in December,
Here's a question for the crew.
When is an appropriate time to put up a Christmas tree?
And not just Christmas tree, but Christmas decorations in general.
Decorations, definitely 1st of December.
If you do it too soon, you kill the specialist.
No, you don't.
By the time it's Christmas, you're like, oh.
Can I tell you what Mike's family do? Mike's family is depressing. I'm sorry.
No, we're
Mike's family, not that they're depressing, but they put up the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Like on the 24th. For it to be up for 5 days.
No, 12 days. You take a day 12 days later, I think.
So in January.
Yeah. But you know why I like that? Because it feels so special Christmas Day, because you haven't, like, everything's new and fresh.
Okay, so what we could do, maybe I want to put on my Christmas trees, definitely
maybe 1 week before.
Maybe at the beginning of December, 1st of December, my stuff's gonna be up. But what we can do is we can make a new Christmas what's it called?
Wreath.
Not wreath, a new Christmas tradition for us.
Okay.
So a thing that we do on Christmas Eve. Do you know, I don't know if, well, we can't do anything. I might give birth on Christmas Eve. So it's currently raining and, you know, I don't want my hair to get wet, my leave out to get wet. So, yeah, we're off to next home right now. I love when I walk into a shop and it smells good. It smells so good in here. They've got so many like air freshenery stuff. I can't get up. I can't get up.
No, come on.
I literally can't get up. Time for Christmas.
Just make it.
Feel it in your heart. I feel it in my heart. So my basket is filled with candles and vases.
And more vases. Who says vase? Where are you from?
Okay, we've hit the ultimate spot. It's literally dark now. It's only like 4 o'clock in the afternoon though. IKEA.
The home of dreams.
Dreams, arguments, and furniture.
Oh, the big debate, okay. So I picked this one. You picked that one.
That one. I don't like dime. Who likes dime?
Dime's sick. Dime's the best.
Dead. Dime is the worst.
Dime is one of the best, no question.
Grace would love that. Where she could be bossing everyone around, boss desking. I love the IKEA's kids section nowadays. I love it. Love it.
Oh, you look hot.
I look rough.
You look hot, man.
We're in the lighting section.
It's going down.
The basket up. There's quite a lot of goodies that I actually want here. Look at these lights. They're like super bright gold. And we've been fighting for lights, so I'm not getting too much stuff from my kid. But some days, this place is the spot.
Where are you running off to?
This is when you know when you've made it. Virgil for IKEA. Here is the product. An IKEA receipt. I mean, he has this play around branding and like labels. So that's why he's done it. So my trick, if you can't keep flowers, do you know, get part real flowers, part fake flowers. I actually want this at home because I like buying stuff at home. Only bougie people buy real flowers around the whole house, please. Oh no, but we are bougie.
Yeah, I forgot.
We are now in Dunelm, a favourite of mine for like bedding and furniture and accessories.
Like an old school favourite, isn't it?
It's a really good store for like curtains, bedding, pillows. This is when you know you're an adult. This section is giving me a boner. So basically, this section here makes me excited. Ah, the pillowcases. I swear, I realised that my pillows are just, they're like dying. They're like disappearing. So yeah, pillow hunting.